Understanding hunting expedition. Dive into English vocabulary. Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, hunting expedition. This is a fascinating term that pops up in various contexts, especially in stories, history, and discussions about outdoor activities. Stay with us as we delve into what it means, its origins, and how you can use it in your conversations. Whether you're an English language learner or just someone looking to expand your vocabulary, this video is for you. A hunting expedition refers to an organized journey or trip with the primary goal of hunting wildlife or game. It's not just a casual outing. It involves careful planning, a specific target or species of animal, and usually takes place over several days. Hunting expeditions can be for various purposes, including sport, research, or food. This phrase brings to mind images of adventure, wilderness, and sometimes the thrill of the chase. The concept of hunting expeditions is not new. Historically, these expeditions were crucial for survival, providing communities with food, clothing, and other necessities. Over time, they evolved into more organized activities, sometimes even becoming grand ventures involving royalty and nobility, seeking exotic animals across the globe. In modern times, while the necessity for survival may have diminished, hunting expeditions remain a popular activity for sport and conservation efforts, with strict regulations in place to protect wildlife. To help you incorporate hunting expedition into your English conversations, here are a few examples. They planned a hunting expedition to Africa to observe and photograph wildlife. The documentary highlights the impact of colonial hunting expeditions on local ecosystems. He's always dreamt of going on a hunting expedition in the Alaskan wilderness. Notice how the context can change the nuance of the phrase, from an adventurous trip to a historical or ecological discussion. When talking about hunting expeditions, it's important to be aware of the cultural and ethical implications. In some cultures, hunting plays a significant role in tradition and survival. However, ethical hunting practices and conservation laws are crucial to ensure the sustainability of wildlife populations. Discussions around hunting expeditions often involve debates on conservation, animal rights, and the balance between tradition and modern environmental concerns. We hope this exploration of the phrase, hunting expedition, has been enlightening. Understanding the depth and breadth of such terms can enrich your vocabulary and conversations, giving you a better grasp of the English language and its nuances. Whether you're discussing history, outdoor adventures, or conservation efforts, knowing how to use hunting expedition effectively can add depth to your discussions. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Remember, language learning is an adventure. Much like a hunting expedition, it's full of discoveries and challenges. Keep exploring, and happy learning!